Assalam-u-Alaikum. Welcome to Learn Urdu Faster. In today's topic, you are going to master essential phrases for travel and transport in Pakistan. This guide provides practical bilingual sentences to help you navigate with confidence. Let's get started. Phrase 1. How far is the airport? Airport kitni dur hai? This essential question helps you estimate travel time and cost. The word kitni is an interrogative meaning how much and is used here because airport is a feminine noun. Use this to ask about the distance to any location by replacing airport. Phrase 2. What is the taxi fare? Taxi ka kiraya kitna hai? A must-know phrase for budgeting your travel. The structure, any vehicle you like, ka kiraya can be used to ask about the fare for any mode of transport, like bus ka kiraya, bus fare, or rickshaw ka kiraya, rickshaw fare. Phrase 3. Show me the bus stop. Mujhe bus stop dikhaएं. Perfect for navigating public transport. The verb dikhaएं means please show. This polite request can be adapted to ask for directions to any location by replacing bus stop. Phrase 4. When does the train leave? Train kab nikalti hai? Essential for train travel. The word kab means when. The verb nikalti is feminine to agree with the feminine noun train. You can replace train with bus, bus, or flight, flight. Phrase 5. Where is this vehicle going? Ye gaadi kahan ja rahi hai? Kahan means where and ja rahi hai indicates present continuous tense, is going. This helps you avoid getting on the wrong bus or van. Phrase 6. Is this seat free? Kya ye seat khali hai? A polite way to ask if a seat is unoccupied. Khali means empty or free. This simple structure is useful in buses, trains, or waiting areas to confirm availability before sitting. Phrase 7. I need to buy a ticket. Mujhe ticket lena hai. A straightforward way to express your need. The structure mujhe lena hai means I need to buy noun. You can easily replace ticket with other items like water, pani, or food, khana. Phrase 8. Is this bus going to Lahore city? Kya ye bus Lahore शहर जा रही है? Essential for long distance travel. This structure, kya ye vehicle, destination, ja rahi hai, confirms the destination before you board, preventing costly mistakes. Simply replace Lahore with your intended city. Phrase 9. Where is the next stop? Agla stop kahan hai? Useful for managing your journey. Agla means next. This helps you prepare to disembark, know how far you are from your destination, or simply follow the route. Phrase 10. How much will the fare be? Kiraya kitna dena hoga? This future-oriented question helps you budget for your trip. Dena hoga means will have to give. It allows you to confirm the total cost before you travel. Phrase 11. Driver, please go slower. Driver, zara ahista chalaएं. A polite request for a safer, more comfortable ride. Zara softens the request and chalaएं is a respectful plural imperative. This is a courteous way to communicate your need without sounding demanding. Phrase 12. I want to get off at the next signal. मुझे अगले signal पर उतरना है. This phrase alerts the driver to your intended stop. Par means at and utarna is the infinitive to get off. It helps ensure the driver stops where you need to disembark. Phrase 13. Is there a metro station here? Kya yahan metro station hai? Useful for navigating larger cities. Yahan means here. This structure, kya yahan place hai, can be used to ask if any place exists in the current area. Phrase 14. Is the flight delayed? Kya flight late hai? A crucial question for air travelers. The word late is an example of an English loanword commonly used in Urdu. This helps you stay updated on your travel schedule. Phrase 15. What is the gate number? Gate number kaun sa hai? Essential for navigating airports. Kaun sa means which one. This helps you find the correct boarding gate for your flight, especially in busy airports. Phrase 16. I need a taxi right now. मुझे अभी टैक्सी चाहिए. When urgency is key,
Abhi means right now or immediately. This phrase communicates the urgency of your need for a taxi, which is helpful in time-sensitive situations. Phrase 17. Can you show me the map? क्या आप मुझे नक्शा दिखा सकते हैं? A polite way to ask for directions or orientation. सकते हैं indicates ability. Can you? This is useful for getting your bearings or finding a specific location. Phrase 18. Take me to the hotel. मुझे hotel ले चलाएं. The same courteous structure as the station phrase, but for your final destination. This ensures the driver understands exactly where you need to go, which is especially helpful after a long journey or in an unfamiliar city. Phrase 19. Will there be extra charge for luggage? क्या सामान के लिए अलग पैसे लगेंगे? Clarify costs upfront. Alag means separate and लगेंगे indicates a future cost. This helps you avoid unexpected fees and budget your trip accurately. Phrase 20. How long will the journey take? सफर में कितना वक्त लगेगा? Helpful for travelers to know trip duration, avoid delays and plan better. Hope you liked this lesson too. If you like, press like and subscribe so you will not miss upcoming lessons. Meet you again in next video. Khuda Hafiz.